Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about the movie Elegun. The movie, Elegun, produced by Apankofo, Sanusi Izihad, is a Yoruba drama that blends traditional elements with modern storytelling. Known for his comedic flair, Apankofo delivers a film that showcases cultural depth, particularly focusing on spiritual and societal themes. The movie is infused with comic relief, making its intense moments more palatable to a wide audience. Elegun explores the role of a spiritual intermediary, often referred to as Elegun, in Yoruba culture, and their struggles with personal and communal conflicts. Apankofo's direction is characterized by his unique style, integrating humor with thought-provoking narratives. The cast includes well-known actors such as Tosin Olaniyan and Fatai Odua, who bring authenticity and energy to their roles. The movie has received positive feedback for its engaging storyline, humor, and cultural relevance. Its ability to balance entertainment with education makes it appealing to both Yoruba-speaking audiences and those interested in African cultural films. Who is your best actor or actress in this movie? Write it in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.